Hi, today I'm going to share with you how to organize and reference Bible scripture with what I call a Bible scripture binder. I made one of these a little while back, and what I wanted to do was just be able to reference scripture faster when I was going through something. We all go through trials and tribulations in life, some big, some small, but I found by doing this, I could, whatever I was going through, I could just reference it in my binder and find the scripture I needed to study and meditate on. So I hope you stick around today. I'm going to show you the supplies that I used and the final end product. Okay, so here are the supplies that you'll need for today. First off being your favorite Bible, or if there is a Bible app or you like to read it online, you'll need that to get the scriptures. And then the binders themselves, I think I got these on Amazon, but I'm sure you can get them in other places as well. It's just like a 5x7 little ring binder. I'll open them up here in a second. And then you'll need note cards to put the scriptures on, to write those on, and the little folders, the clear folders that go inside the binders. You put the scripture cards in there, and then those go in the binders. All of this I think I got on Amazon. And if you want to be a little more creative with it, I got some of these kind of vintagey looking papers to write scripture, some of the scriptures on. I thought that might be kind of fun to do something a little different. So you can get those if you like. And then you'll also need some kind of label or sticker. And some of you probably have the Cricut machine or the fancier machines to make labels. I just got these, again, I may have got it off of Max, but I got these clear sticker paper, and then on Word I created the different categories that I wanted to have in the binder, just for different things that I may be going through, and I wanted to label the little folders with these. So, and lastly, this is optional, but I love stickers. I decorated mine. I got some Christian stickers here, and I also love plants, so I got some plant stickers as well that you can put on the binder or whatever you want, or you don't have to decorate it at all. So I'm going to actually grab the binder I made and show you how to put it together. So here's mine. You can see it's a nice size. You can stick it in your bag, easy to carry, and you can add as many as you like. The different, it's also got some side compartments if you want to put anything in there. But as you can see, like I've got the different labels: anxiety and worry, depression, faith. These papers are kind of big, so I had to fold them in half, those kind of decorative vintage papers that I have, but they're so fun. Fear, healing, hope, money and finances, peace, rejection, that's a good one. Spiritual warfare, that's really good too. As you can see, I have multiple in there, because as you probably already know, with spiritual warfare, it's so important to know the word and speak it. That's what we fight the enemy with. So, and lastly, stress. But you can add whichever ones that you like, that you want. And like I said earlier in the video, if I'm going through something, I can just come to this, open it up, reach in the scripture, read it out loud, meditate on it, and it's been real convenient, especially since we're all so busy with life. So let me know in the comments if if you have ideas or ways that you've organized Bible scripture that has helped you make your life a little bit easier. We would love to know. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could hit the like button down below if you got a lot out of it, and even maybe subscribe to my channel. Doing this helps me get more Christian content out to more people, so I'd appreciate that. And if you decide to make one of these, come back and tell us, and maybe post a picture of what you came up with. They're really fun to make. I think they're really going to make your Bible study easier, your Christian walk. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have an awesome day. God bless.